Make a great choice today with the 2014 Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, CD player. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.